When you remove your fabric air dispersion system from the box, the elbows look different from how they look once the system is assembled and the air turned on. The elbow consists of a specific number of gores that corresponds to the angle, regardless if it's a 30-degree angle, a 45-degree angle, a 60-degree angle, or a 90-degree angle. This means that a 90-degree elbow laying flat on the floor will look as if it's only a 45-degree angle. You can recognize a 90-degree on the 4 gores. Once the system is suspended, the parts are zipped together. When the air is turned on, the elbow will straighten out and the system works perfectly. A 45-degree elbow will look like a smaller angle when lying flat on the floor. If you have questions, please contact your local Fabric Air office. Help is never more than a phone call away.